Hello everyone, welcome back to A Taste of Angel Lifestyle. Today is December the 20th, the Monday. And been pretty busy cleaning up for the holidays. So I'm doing a lot of cleaning, filling up containers, and cleaning off the countertops. So that's where I'm at now. So I got lots to do, so let's get started. Come on, team. Okay, what I'm finna do is clean off the countertop with real good soapy warm water. Make the stone shine and protect it. A protector on it. Now I need to clean out the sink, the garbage disposal, and both the same when you use a lot of, cooking fried food, greasy food, the drains need to be cleaned out. I'm going to use baking soda, half of a box, in each drain. The garbage disposal and the other drain of the sink. And you hear that noise. My pot is getting some water real hot. Okay, that's in 2 cups of white vinegar. So, bubbling up. Okay, now since I have my counter space cleaned off, so now I'm going to start to refilling my containers that I have, my different types of vinegars and oil. Now what I'm going to do is finish putting everything back on the counter. Then I'll let you know show you how it look afterwards.